YouTuber Gaming Zero, and welcome to my first channel. And today we're gonna play Clumsy Bird. So let's get started. Okay, tap the fly. Fly this stupid bird. Good, good, good. So this game is like Flappy Bird, but this is more easy than Flappy Bird. And I just died. Fantastic. Okay, no! Really? Really? I'm gonna beat my score today. Before I end out this video, I have to beat my score. Oh my god. No! Just halfway there, just halfway there. Oh yeah, by the way, 05 iPad is still in repair progress, so we can make a channel. Okay, from now on I'm going to shut my mouth up and let's see how long I can survive. Here we go. No! Okay, I'm going to shut my mouth again. No. Wait a minute. No! I hate it. Oh yeah, I'm not copying anyone. It's my original channel. And I never copied by anyone. I'm just using some combination, okay? Then X the reason why. I hate it. Why I always get 7 at last? See? Mm. Yes. Let's see how far I can make. Yes, new high score 20. Okay guys, I end out this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to see another video of me. Okay guys, bye.